it's your girl Siri here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on all socials at Hey Siri _ on Twitter. Now we're not in on the bag along talking, so let's get into this video. Alright guys, so in this video I have my sister here with me.
Hey,
Sherise. And as you can see by the title, we're going to do the Bean Boozled challenge. So for those of you who may not know, the Bean Boozled challenge is like a really popular challenge that some YouTubers been doing, and basically it's somewhat of a taste testing type of game. So it comes with one of the jelly bean drops. So this is how inside looks. You have the spinner, so one of us will spin, and then you will land on different flavors. So you have different flavors, but the twist of it is that you have to hope that your luck doesn't run out and you don't get the bad flavor. So for example, if I turn it and say end up on strawberry banana smoothie, it could be either that or dead fish. So you just have to basically hope say your luck don't run out. And for those of you who may not know, I chose her to do it with me because Sherise don't run with her food, so you gotta see how this turn out, okay? Alright. You come with me? You can do it? You can just watch? Alright. You go first or me? Let's see. Which one do you have it upside down? Alright, so you say we landed on Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks. Tutti.
oh, so yeah, this when you spin me gets, and when me spin you get. I think I gotta taste first.
No? So let's see which one. You see guys, they look very identical. I don't know. Enough focus. But ready?
Banana smell.
Banana smell. Alright. Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks.
I'm back. Stinky sauce, but that's stinky too, like it is.
Cause I'm more than one in there. Mommy could have played too.
It's really no some. Excuse me. No sir, got nothing to eat. No sir. I feel like I'm my ribs.
Spin.
But that's not me.
Yeah. Oh, it's still the pan Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks.
We can just spin and then we show them.
Alright.
I'm not cheat, guys.
Strawberry. Upside down.
Oh.
An eternity later.
Juicy pear or booger. It landed on juicy pear or booger. Why is not focus? Yeah, so it landed on juicy pear or boogers. Let's see which one she's gonna get. Or both are we gonna get actually. A green.
This?
Yeah. Yo, I hope it, chop.
What juicy pear or what?
Booger.
This look like you have boogie in there.
So show them yours so they can say it's the same. They look so much similar. Let's see if
my nails look so sexy.
Oh, shut up. 1, 2,
3. Oh, them teeth disgusting. tastes disgusting.
Can you I choose the wrong one then?
Me not taste nothing good so far. Me not like
Me
it.
either. I think so. Yeah, choose the bad one then.
But how you know which one is bad one?
That's the thing.
This not
You
right.
can't cheat.
This not for consume.
Landed on peach or barf. Like guys, it literally tastes like what? The first one do you really taste like stinky socks?
But
On your marks. Peachy pear or barf.
oh, what is this?
We get one good one. We get one
Yeah,
good
this
one.
not bad. It's sweet though. Alright, give me sugar.
Do not disturb miss. Guys, that one really tastes like peachy pear. We never get barf.
We just name that. That's in here now work good.
Flicky. Flicky. Miss Flicky. Oh my gosh.
What do you say?
No peachy pear or barf for that again. Or
We just did that.
boogers.
Let's skip that because we did that. Ooh.
Birthday cake or dirty dishwasher. Right. Alright, let's see who's gonna get the dirty dishwasher. Ready?
Me not to eat this. Yeah, once it have 1 cent when me squish out it. Me no want name this here.
That's a cheating. Sherise, that's a cheating. Yeah, get one next one. You're lucky. Don't squish that one out. It's so serious.
Let me see if my taste buds.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Ah! Done?
Them taste disgusting.
Shamalish. Shamala.
They give me chills.
Coconut or spoiled milk.
You
Another.
know how milk tastes? Spoiled milk tastes bad.
Me never yet taste spoiled milk, Sherise.
When me taste spoiled milk, like we have the milk in the refrigerator and don't say go bad.
I was having a drink.
Oh.
I like milk. You know? Alright. They look similar. So far, me and you get it the same time. Like there hasn't been an instance where you get a good one and so let's see.
So what? So yeah, try to say.
Shimmer. 1, 2, 3. You want this knife? No.
Coconut baby.
Oh my god.
Now you know how spoiled milk tastes. Coconut tastes nice too.
That really tastes bad. That did taste disgusting.
Buttered popcorn or rotten egg Jesus.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
So people, buttered popcorn or rotten egg.
Right, if you know how you get. Sherise, why you squishy?
It's a rotten egg.
Sherise, stop squishy. Yeah, get.
Me
You know what?
Me love to smell my food.
Me We can't even find no more.
Oh, God.
Come on, me put it in your mouth. I'm gonna trust you. 1, 2, 3. My taste buds them hate me after this. Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish?
Yeah, I dead fish. Me said me would never like it.
Okay guys, so this one is strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish. Sherise, give me. Come in and trust you, and me don't trust you. On your marks, get set, feast.
Oh. It's strawberry banana smoothie, just natural. Taste but them love me now.
Make me done.
More, some more strawberry banana smoothie. How about we just taste it while they want to taste already? Because regardless, like we're gonna taste them.
Well, that is true.
We never
have a
toasted marshmallow or stink bug.
What?
Ew! Toasted marshmallow or stink bug.
Don't squish it. Just happy.
There we go.
Ready for this? Are we ready for this? Are we ready for this? God, please, please.
You ever get anyone now?
Oh, jeez. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Guys, we are not overreacting, exaggerating. These things taste horrible. Horrible!
My taste buds are traumatized. That's just all I have to say.
Tutti frutti or stinky socks. We never did that one, right?
Yeah, we did that.
We did
I'm
that.
gonna get stinky socks. You two are gonna get stinky socks.
We did try
When I try blue one.
berry
blue or toothpaste. Alright, that's not bad. Toothpaste.
My name toothpaste.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, berry blue.
Berry blue.
Tastes nice.
My taste buds in my comeback car. No.
We never chocolate pudding or canned dog.
Oh my gosh. Oh, why? Chocolate pudding or canned dog food?
That's, I think it's smallest one. What is all of them I save. No girl. This. You know what is it? I don't want it. Canned dog food. I didn't know that.
Is that it?
I'm saying horrible.
Try out it.
Horrible. They taste horrible.
We did all of the flavors.
And we don't want them over.
And we don't want to do that. We don't wish.
We don't wish to do them over.
If you guys think that we're capping, go and get it yourself and try. But for real.
Pew, pew. But it was a fun game though.
Yeah, it was really fun. It's a fun game. And I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in and staying tuned in. I hope this was very...
And I just want to say to all my fans, here in the US and in Jamaica that I really appreciate the support that you give to me. Yeah, all my fans and the fan mails that I receive on a daily basis. Thank you so much. I know you guys have been requesting my presence here on her channel, but I'm very busy, very busy.
Alright, anyways guys, thank you guys for tuning in. You're very much appreciated. And
don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The best thing she has said all night. Thank you. And don't forget to follow me on my socials at Hey Siri, __ on Twitter. And you can follow Sherise at
@2cute_876, something like that.
okay, it'll be down there. But thank you guys. I'll see you next weekend in my next video. Bye.